Well, it's that time again. This is when I dole out some piece of advice to a couple of you who out there are asking questions. So here's today's first letter from Brian. Dear Susie, what's the best piece of advice you could give someone who's been laid off and is having trouble finding another job? Oh my gosh, I don't know. See, because I've been laid off. No, I was fired. I was fired, Brian. I had no job. I couldn't even think about where I was going to get a job. But I will tell you this way. You've got to update that resume. You've got to put everything you've ever done on that resume and make it interesting and make it seem you elevate yourself in some way about your skills. And I guess you go to Monster and all the places that are available on the internet. But the biggest thing I can say to you is get out of the house, start networking, join clubs, go to places where other people are there, get to know people, get a relationship with someone who may then know someone. In other words, don't sit in the house and don't be down and out. You're gonna find another job, but you want more than a job, Brian. You want something that you love to do. So I'm gonna tell you something else. I think prayer sometimes help, and I'm big on that, and it's helped me along the way. So that's about all I can say to you, and I can also say good luck. All right, here's another one. This is from Elizabeth. Dear Susie, my boyfriend and I have an ongoing argument over what I call me time. He wants to spend every moment he can together. And while I do enjoy my time with him, I also want my alone time. He can't seem to understand that. Am I wrong? No, you're right. Get another boyfriend. If he wants to hang on to you, that's smothering. He is not going to change. He doesn't need a girlfriend. He needs a mother. That's it. We'll be back. If you're in need of some more advice, Susie Says So will be on every Wednesday. So write to me, Susie at ktxdtv.com, or tweet me at Susie Says So.